Good morning to all dear students. Today, on the occasion of our founder president of our institute, Shri Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav Jayanti, we are gathered here to celebrate the Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav Jayanti organized by BNN College Bhivandi by Department of Commerce and Accountancy. We had organized three programs on this valuable occasion: essay competition, speech competition, and quiz competition as well. First of all, I am very thankful to our honorable principal to giving us an opportunity to organize this program. Very thankful to our vice principal, Dr. Vikas Ubale sir, for guiding us that how to conduct a program, and our head of department, Miss Sureka Dinde ma'am, and all colleagues to facilitate and help for this program. So now we are gathered here for our speech competition. Before we proceed further, as well as I'm very thankful to our IQAC coordinator, Dr. Sashikant Malunkar sir, always behind us for organizing any program to us. So again, I'm thankful to all dignitaries. At present, we have our Vice Principal, uh, Dr. Vikas Ubale sir, with us. Now, I requesting to Dr. Vikas Ubale sir to motivate our participants and please tell valuable words on this specious occasion. Dr. Vikas Ubale sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kuldeep sir. Welcome to all. As per Rathore sir told that today we organize a different competition on behalf, actually on the occasion of Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav Jayanti. You know a very well known personality, and we call that the Shikshan Samrat. That is the Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav. So 9th September on his Jayanti, and so we organize Department of Commerce and Accountancy organize a program for students as well as definitely all faculties also enjoying this program. I welcome to all participants and all the best to all of you. You definitely show your performance uh, best. So all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words, and your words are always motivate us and encourage us to perform well. Now, without further wasting our time, now I will going to start our today's speech competition. So, uh, first speech is going to given by our TY Becom student, that is Shivani Kadam. So, Shivani Kadam, let you start with your presentation. So, on your video during your speech, and you will now proceed further. Shivani Kadam.
Hello.
Yes, 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 Shivani. Now you will start.
ओके सर. उपस्थित सर्व शिक्षकांना आणि माझ्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना माझा माझा नमस्कार. आज मी पद्मश्री अण्णासाहेब जाधव अशी माझी नम्र विनंती. प्राध्यापक श्री पद्मश्री अण्णासाहेब जाधव यांचे पूर्ण नाव पांडुरंग धर्माजी जाधव होय. त्यांचा जन्म 9 सप्टेंबर 1922 रोजी वाडा तालुक्यातील कुडस या गावी एका गरीब कुटुंबात झाला. तो दिवस सोन्याचा दिवस म्हणून संस्थेच्या इतिहासात नोंदविलेला आहे. अण्णाचे प्राथमिक शिक्षण 3री पर्यंत कुडूस या गावी झाले, परंतु तिथे मात्र इयत्ता 3री पर्यंत शिक्षण होते. त्यांना शिकण्याची खूप आवड होती, परंतु त्यांना शाळेतच उशिरा घातले. अभ्यासात चांगली रुची गोडी असल्याने अभ्यास करताना त्यांना खूप रुची वाटू लागली. शाळा शिकताना त्यांना सकाळी उठून गुरांचा चारा पाणी पासून ते शेतातील सर्व कामे करावी लागत असत. त्यांना शिकण्याची फार हौस होती. ती त्यांना स्वस्थ बसू देत नव्हती. इयत्ता इच्छा असेल तर मार्ग दिसेल हा कित्ता अण्णांनी लहानपणातच गिरवला. प्रवेश घेतला. प्राथमिक शिक्षणाचा श्री गणेशात सुरू. चौथी लागले, परंतु त्यांची ज्ञानाची लालसा त्यांना काहीच चैन पडू देत नव्हती. मार्ग खुंटल्याने ते बेचैन झाले, परंतु जवळच असणाऱ्या चिंचघर या गावी चौथीचा वर्ग सुरू झाला होता. तिथे जाऊन त्यांनी इयत्ता 6वी पर्यंत शिक्षण पूर्ण केले. त्यानंतर गोरे या गावी 7वीला प्रवेश घेतला व 7वी पर्यंतचे प्राथमिक शिक्षण त्यांनी पूर्ण केले. 1940 साली ते ठाणे जिल्ह्यातून प्राथमिक शाळा प्रमाणपत्रात ते पहिले आले. शिक्षणाची आस त्यांना स्वस्थ बसू देत नव्हती. त्यांना त्यावेळी त्यांचे गुरुवर्य श्री पाल शेंडणेकर यांनी खऱ्या अर्थाने त्यांना शिक्षणामध्ये गोडी निर्माण केली. अण्णांनी समाज सुधारण्यासाठी अशी खूप काही कामे केली आहेत. त्यांनी स्थापन केलेल्या भिवंडी निजामपूर नगरपालिका महाविद्यालयास सर्वोत्तम महाविद्यालय म्हणून पुरस्काराने गौरविण्यात आले आहे. मी त्यांच्या जीवनाच्या वाटचालीवर एक कविता माझ्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांसाठी सादर करीत आहे. जन्माला आला आहेस थोडं जगून बघ. जन्माला आला आहेस थोडं जगून बघ. जीवनात खूप दुःख आहे थोडं सोसून बघ. जीवनात खूप दुःख आहे थोडं सोसून बघ. चिमूटभर दुःखाने कोसळू नकोस. दुःखाचे पहाड चढून बघ. यशाची चव चाखून बघ. अपयश येतं निरखून बघ. डाव मांडणं सोपं असतं. डाव मांडणं सोपं असतं थोडं खेळून बघ. घरटं बांधणं सोपं असतं थोडं खेळून बघ. जगणं कठीण असतं मरणं सोपं असतं. दोन्हीतल्या वेदना झेलून बघ. जीणं मरणं एक कोडं असतं. जाता जाता याला सोडवून बघ. थँक्यू सर. एवढे माझे 2 शब्द बोलून मी समाप्त करते. जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy with you. Thank you for your kind word. Thank you, Shivani. Now we are moving further. Now I request to Shweta Mishra. Shweta Mishra to start your speech.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Good morning to all my dear friends and respected teacher. I am glad to give a speech in a special occasion for Anna Sahib Jadhav Jayanti. Shri Padma Jadhav, popular known as Anna Sahib, established Bharatiya Samaj Unnati Mandal in 1949 with the motive of literate India. Being aware of lack of education facilities in under-rural part, Anna Sahib took up a mission to bring school with a reachable distance for the large population, resigning the darkness of illiterate and poverty. For this segment of people, education was distant dream. Anna Sahib realized that memorial bringing was not for a solution for a people with a proper food, clothing and shelter. For the reason Anna Sahib established ashram schools. Who food, who food, clothing and shelter could be provided with education. He traveled around the Bhiwandi area. He traveled around the Bhiwandi area of the Thane. Soon established 15 primary and secondary and 6 ashram schools. After his said demise, the organization continued his work. Heaven could not manage to make much progress. A few years, 2006, Anna Sahib's son Sri Vijay Jadhav and Sri V.D. Kale, one of his close aside, took charge fresh bringing of Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav, Bharatiya Samaj Unnati Mandal was made with the effort of the team under this new leadership. Today, about 40,000 children are getting 40,000 are children getting to the ashram schools, and uh, uh,
Shweta,
20,
on your video.
okay sir, एक second. 28 primary and secondary school and 15 ashrams. Anna Sahib Jadhav Jayanti is a celebrate to schools and thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Thank you, Shweta Mishra, for sharing your valuable words and speech. I'm very happy to all. Uh, Actually, we had started our program and sent it the Google form to the all students, and I'm very helpful and thankful to the students who joined this program on the online. At the end, I will again very thankful to our president, uh, Shri Honorable Shri Vijay Jadhav sir, our executive president, Shri Balakrishna Kale sir, for guiding us and for giving us an opportunity to conduct a such event on this valuable time. As well, I am very thankful to our honorable principal, Dr. Ashok Divak sir, for
हेलो सर.
guiding us.
सर
Now,
आपका माइक ऑफ है.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you for all your participation and for participating on this event. We had today we have concluded with our speech competition. Now we had the great conversation and speech in Marathi and English also. At the end, for the vote of thanks, I will thankful to our honorable president, honorable Shri Vijay Jadhav sir, and our executive president, honorable Shri Balakrishna Kale sir, for giving us an opportunity to conduct a such kind of event. I'm also very thankful to our honorable principal sir, Dr. Ashok D. Wag sir, for guiding us and giving instructions for conducting this event. As well, I will thankful to our vice principal, Dr. Vikas Ubale sir, for instructing us and taking as a lead to conduct a program. I'm very thankful to our IQAC coordinator, Dr. Sashikant Malunkar sir, for always motivating us and providing a facility to conduct a program. And the last, I'm very thankful to our head of department, Mrs. Surekha Dende ma'am, and our colleague as well for continuous support. And student, today in our group, you will also uh, available with a quiz competition. So all the students, please participate in the quiz competition, which is available on our Telegram group. With the permission of our Vice Principal, Dr. Vikas Ubale sir, can we conclude, sir, our today's program? Hello. So, okay, students, thank you for gathering here, for listening a beautiful speech given by our participation. So now I conclude with this program. So now I announce that the program is over.